Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create professional Instagram post from scratch. Open Photoshop and click new file, set size to 1080 by 1080p. Press create, fill background using paint basket tool, choose a soft color. Select type tool and type headline text, make font bold and readable. Press Ctrl plus T and resize the text size. Center it properly. Now select custom shape tool, choose a simple icon shape, draw icon above text, change icon color, lower icon opacity slightly, add a thin divider line using rectangle tool, align everything using guide, zoom out and check balance and each and everything your project